In the world of Microsoft Power BI, data is the foundation of meaningful insights and informed decision-making. However, managing and preparing data for analysis can be a complex and time-consuming process. This is where data flows can help. In this video, you will explore what data flows are and why they are used in Power BI. You'll learn the subscription level required to use them and engage with a fictional scenario showcasing their application and the advantages and limitations they offer. AdventureWorks is a company operating in multiple regions, each with its own set of data sources and reporting requirements. To manage these multiple data sources, AdventureWorks wants to use the Power BI Data Flows feature. Data flows allow you to connect to data sources, perform data transformations, and create business logic to build data entities that can be shared across different reports and dashboards. They can also be published to the Power BI service and in shared reports and dashboards. Data flows simplify the process of data preparation, allowing users to cleanse, transform, and shape their data with ease. You can apply business rules, clean untidy data, and create calculated columns through Microsoft Power Query, a powerful data transformation tool within Power BI. Data flows offer a visual interface for building data transformation logic, making it accessible to users lacking coding skills. You can use data flows in Microsoft Power BI Desktop and Microsoft Power BI Service. In Power BI Desktop, you can create and manage data flows using the Power Query editor. This allows you to connect to various data sources, perform transformations, and define the structure of your data entities. You can then publish these data flows to the Power BI service for further use. Once published to the Power BI service, data flows can be accessed and managed through the Power BI web interface. You can schedule data flow refreshes, configure data connectors, and establish relationships between data flows and other data sets in your workspace. Additionally, you can use the capabilities of Power Query Online, a cloud-based version of Power Query, to perform data transformations directly in the Power BI service. By supporting data flows in both Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service, Power BI enables a seamless experience for users to create, share, and collaborate on data flows throughout the entire data preparation and analysis process. This flexibility allows users to work with data flows using their preferred environment while ensuring consistent and efficient data management across both desktop and cloud-based environments. A Power BI Pro license is required to use data flows in Power BI. However, a Power BI Premium subscription is necessary for advanced features and capabilities, such as incremental refresh, compute engine selection, and larger data capacity. Power BI Premium unlocks additional functionalities and performance optimizations that enhance the data flow experience. Advantages of data flows include reusability. Data flows enable the reuse of query logic and transformations, saving time and effort in data preparation tasks. Data centralization. Data flows provide a centralized and consistent data source, ensuring data integrity and reducing duplication. Collaboration. Users can collaborate on data flows, making sharing and working on data preparation processes easier. Scalability. Data flows use cloud-based processing capabilities, enabling efficient handling of large data sets and complex transformations. Limitations of data flows include data refresh. Data flows have specific refresh limitations, such as the frequency and dependencies on data source availability. Data flow management. Currently, data flows are managed individually, and there is limited visibility into dependencies between data flows. Advanced transformations. While data flows offer a wide range of transformations, certain complex scenarios may require advanced coding or alternative solutions. Data flows in Power BI help users streamline and enhance their self-service data preparation workflows. By providing a scalable and collaborative approach to data integration and transformation, data flows enable organizations to unlock the true potential of their data. While data flows offer numerous advantages such as reusability, centralization, collaboration, and scalability, you must be aware of their limitations and consider alternative approaches for advanced transformations. By effectively using data flows, you can accelerate data preparation, ensure data consistency, and make informed decisions based on reliable and well-prepared data.